In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 5, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open list of all apps, and then find and select the settings. Here click on System and go to Languages and Input. And at the top of this list you will notice languages, so smoothly mark this icon and pick Add a language. And from the following list you can pick whichever language you want to apply. So let me go, for example, with Filipino, then slide it up to the first place to make it a default one. And that's it. As you can see, system language has been already changed, and from now on the whole device is in Filipino, so you can smoothly use it. However, whenever you want to go back to your own language or choose another one again, just perform the same operation. I will smoothly slide English up and then remove those unnecessary languages. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can manage languages in your ASUS ROG Phone 5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.